Hello everybody, in this video we are going to configure AWS on our Node.js application so that we can communicate directly to our S3 bucket, which is to store our product's photo. Since we are going to use photo upload feature many times in the future, we don't want to repeat ourselves. Let's create a new folder under server and name it middlewares. Under that folder, create a new file and give it a name upload-photo.js. This folder will have all of the middleware's function for our APIs. You will understand it once we implement the middleware to one of our APIs. The next step is to install 3 dependencies. npm install AWS SDK, Multer, and Multer S3 --save. If you don't know what is Multer, let's go and check it out. Multer is an excellent library for our API middleware to get the photo from the front end. You just have to pass it like this to get the photo. And the other library which we did install just now is Multer S3. Multer S3 will directly upload. Whenever you upload photo from front end to back end, it will automatically upload it to S3 bucket, which is really amazing and it saves us a lot of time. So let's require the dependencies. AWS and now we need to pass the secret key and access key to our AWS. So AWS config update secret access key and access key ID. Remember the file that we downloaded, which is rootkey.csv. Open up, and now you can see that these are the keys. Copy it and paste it to your .env, which is right beneath database. And now we can access it like this. Save it. Now we can access it like this. Process.aws access key ID, and the other one will be process.env.aws secret key, which is pretty neat. And next step is to instantiate an S3 object. S3 equals to new AWS S3 bucket. So once we have S3 object, now we want to create an upload feature, which will be cons, we call it upload equals to Multer, storage, which will be Multer S3, and then we want to pass the object of S3 to the storage. Bucket name. Do you remember the bucket name? Let's go back to our Chrome, AWS, and go to services S3, and it's Amazon clone version 1. So let's go back to our Visual Studio, and it is Amazon clone version 1. And we want to pass in whether we can read publicly or privately. So ACL public read. Last is metadata, which will have request, file, and callback, which will respond with callback null and the field name of the photo. Field name file.field name. And last but not least is key, which is the key of the S3 bucket. For example, when you upload a photo, there'll be a key and a value. So key will be whatever you want to name it. You can put it as name, you can put it as date, it's up to you. I'm gonna put it as date so that we know when did we upload this photo. So cb null callback and date now to string. So the value will be the name of the file, and the key will be the date that we just uploaded. And finally, we want to export the upload function. And now we have our AWS, and let's test it out in the next video.